Hey guys, Kitchen1 here with a special video for all of you. Now, for this video, I'm going to be opening some Ancient Animals packs. And as you can see, sorry I can't really read it. You get 3 cards and a sticker, and you get them from Woolworths. Every $20 you spend, you get a pack. Here I have 6. Now I'll be opening them here for you guys today. Okay, cool. Let's get started. Okay, first pack. Sorry, I have to do it this way. It's hard to actually see it. Remember, every $20 you spend at Woolworths, you'll get a pack of this. And I'll show you the sticker last. Okay, so what do we have here? We've got a wait, give me one moment. A Marvella. Very interesting. If you want to read the facts, pause the video because I cannot actually read it. Oh, never mind. Next, we have a Animal Ocaris. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Most of you will probably say it correct. Here we have a Terrygotis or something. I cannot say these. And at the end, I'll be going through the facts about them. And for the sticker, we got a Spinosaurus, it looks like. It is a Harvey and Gosaurus. Okay, guys. And now for the facts. It appears that the Marvella is a vegetarian but still eats fish. It grows up to 2 centimeters. And, there's a thing now. Wait, can I actually move around? Please? Okay. In which country were over 15,000 fossils of Marvella found? As you can see, damn it, I'm trying to do this. Oh, I can't do it. Never mind. So yeah. Next, the Animal Ocaris. Okay, yeah, forget this. I'm not going to go through all these facts. So yeah, these were our first cards and our sticker. So I'm just going to pop them over here for now. Okay, next pack. And I might only do 3 today and do another 3 another time. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, careful. Here we have a Pterodactylus, so that's a pterosaur. It eats fish, and it flies. Apparently, I don't know what those symbols are. Here's a Andrew-sarcus. If your name is Andrew, you've got a dinosaur named after you. Looks like a hyena, so you're a badass. Feel good about yourself right now if your name's Andrew. Next up, Archaeopteryx. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing these. It's a carnivore and it goes up to 45 centimeters. And for our sticker, we got what seems like a water mammal. Mosasaurus. Oh, I was watching someone. Never mind. Okay, so that's our stickers and cards for this pack. Very nice. Put them here. And final pack for today. I'll save the other 3 for the next video. I really have to hurry with this. so sorry if I'm talking kind of fast. Let's see. Okay, this one looks like a shark. It's a Stethcanthus. It eats fish and goes up to 1.5 meters. Next, a Amargasaurus. It eats leaves and goes up to 10 meters and lives in the mountains, it appears. Next, Dimetrodon. Eats meat, goes up to 3.2 meters, mountains. And for our sticker, we got what looks to be a Cryolophosaurus. Looks a bit like a raptor, so that's cool. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and I'll get more of these packs. As you can see, there are 3 more over here. And I'll open them shortly, maybe 2 days. Bye guys.